ready to transform your blocky Minecraft world into an extraordinary adventure. First, you will need to locate your Minecraft folder, open Finder, click on Go in the top menu bar, and select Go to Folder. Type this in the box, Library, Application Support, Minecraft, and then press Enter. Now, look for a folder named Mods. If you don't have one, simply right-click, select New Folder, and name it Mods. Make sure the spelling is exactly right, lowercase. Next, you'll need to install Forge, which is a mod loader that helps Minecraft recognize and run your mods. Go to the official Minecraft Forge website and download the version of Forge that corresponds to the version of Minecraft you want to mod. It's usually best to choose the recommended version. Once downloaded, double-click the Forge installer jar file. You may need to right-click and select Open if your Mac warns you about opening a downloaded application. In the Forge installer window, make sure Install Client is selected, then click OK. Forge will now install the necessary files. Now for the fun part, downloading mods. Head to a trusted website like CursorForge or Modrinth and browse the vast selection of mods available. Make sure the mods you download are compatible with your version of Forge and Minecraft. Once you've downloaded your desired mods, simply drag and drop the jar files into the mods folder we created earlier. Open the Minecraft launcher and make sure the Forge profile is selected. If it's not, click the drop-down menu next to the play button and choose the Forge profile. Finally, click play and enjoy your modded Minecraft experience. You can access the mod settings from the main menu, where you can customize the individual mods to your liking.